Geomatic Cat here. Hey, today I'm going to plant some vegetables in my backyard using 5-gallon buckets. And I'm going to plant some peppers, some tomatoes, some squash, and some zucchini. And I'm going to show you how I'll do it. Stand by. See, I got 4 buckets, and I drilled holes in the top and the sides of them for drainage. That's right, let's fill them up. See, I fill them up with gravel, cover up the holes, so the holes won't get stuck up with dirt. Right. I also put a layer weed barrier on top of the rocks, the gravel, and we'll put the got pine soil on top of the weed barrier. The weed barrier is going to prevent from the dirt to go through the rocks. Be an easy drain. The water's added. You see, I got all 4 buckets with the almost to the top full of pine soil. I use approximately 3 bags of Miracle-Gro pine soil and 1 bag of gravel. That's all I need. You can see here I got the red bell sweet potato peppers, crookneck heirloom squash, got zucchini squash here, and I got some tomatoes that are Better Boy hybrid tomatoes. Let's see how it works. Alright, I got everything planted. Get the little trellis already up for all of them, and give it a little bit of water. You can see that water's already draining. Bomb. It's a good thing. Alright. Water them every day and keep them out of the cold. I also got these plant bombs. You put in the bottom of these buckets. Check this out. Gets all sad pool steps I have. It has a prime location. Has sun basically 6 hours of the day right here. And I think it looks good. Hey, that was me planting some vegetables in my backyard in 5-gallon buckets. I hope you like it. And why don't you try it out yourself. It's easy to do. Took me less than 30 minutes to do it. And we'll see you in a couple months when we get out here. This is Geomatic Cat. I'm out here.